today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 things that happens to men when it's time to lose some weight. What's up, fellas? It's your boy, Ihsaan, the StyleJumper, your guide to personal style. If you're new to the channel, we release videos where we discuss topics like style, confidence, and etiquette. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we release our next video. Your wifey or your significant other tells you flat out, hey, you need to lose some weight, buddy. That's a gut punch, right? This is when we need to start making this decision. If not just for us, definitely for your significant other or the kids. Today's video is sponsored by District Debonair. District Debonair is a collection of curated vintage wares for the elegant man. All items are one of one, and if you have any questions or interests, click the link below. When you're standing straight up and you look down and you don't see your Johnson. Yeah, guys, if you can't see your Johnson when you look down, it might be time to lose some weight. I know it's not something we want to talk about, but the reality is we should be able to see our goods when we're looking straight down. Internal conversation. Guys, if you're in the middle, if you're having an internal conversation with yourself, like, come on, guy, don't fail me now. Yeah, mule, yeah. Hold on, give me a couple more minutes. Then it's highly likely that you're out of breath and you need to lose some weight. Shortness of breath. Guys, if you're having shortness of breath when you're running around with your kids or just trying to keep up with your wifey, it's time to get that weight down. Because you already know what's going down if you can't keep up. Picking at your shirt. Guys, if you're picking at your shirt, pulling it to the side and just kind of like you're uncomfortable, that means you gotta think about losing some weight, because either A, your shirt's too small, or B, it's time to cut some weight. Doing push-ups. Guys, if you're a type that does push-ups and your stomach is hitting the ground before your chest does, or you're parallel to the floor, yep, it's time to lose some weight. I'm laughing, guys, because I know about me, so this is no judgment. I'm in there with you. We're gonna battle this out together. Your gear in the workout bag. Guys, if your gear is still in the workout bag for like 6 months or last year, we have a problem. We got to start losing some weight and stop looking at that bag or ignoring that bag full of brand new gear, because we're avoiding losing weight and going to the gym. Loosen buttons. Guys, if you have to loosen buttons when you're sitting down and you're just feeling too uncomfortable because it's a little too tight around the waist.
As you can see, I can't even get them over my butt at all.
Yes, gotta lose some weight, fellas. It's not comfortable. I'm one of them, man. And maybe it's just me not wanting to give up some of my favorite pair of pants. But that being said, if you are sitting down and you need to unbutton that button, it's time, fellas. Gotta make the move. Favorite outfit. Guys, if your favorite outfit doesn't fit you anymore and you know that you want to get back in that bad boy, maybe you can use it for motivation. But it's time. Stop trying to squeeze into that favorite outfit because it's not fitting. And I know you're uncomfortable. Let's lose some weight. Let's hit the gym. Seeing family. If you haven't seen family in a long time, I know, like me, I have those aunts and uncles who would tell you whatever they're thinking. And they tell you straight up, hey, you need to lose some weight or you're getting fat. Yeah, it's about that time. Don't you hate when they tell you the truth? It just hurts. Today's cheat code. Fellas, today's cheat code is, it's just time to start working out. Here's the deal. There's 3 things that I definitely think you would appreciate when you start working out. 1, you're going to live a longer life for yourself, your family, and definitely your loved ones. 2, you'll feel more confident in your clothes and in the bedroom. And 3, it improves your mental and physical health. Can't lose. If you want to see what I'm wearing on a day-to-day basis, check out my Instagram. There you'll find a ton of looks or maybe some inspiration. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have any questions or suggestions, fellas, leave it in the comments below. And if you like this content, share it with your stylish friends. And remember, when you leave home today, walk out with style, confidence, and etiquette. And fellas, look, we all, at some point in time, were in different shape. Maybe not the best shape of our lives, but we were in better shape, hopefully, than we are today. If that's the case, there's nothing wrong with losing some weight, cutting some pounds, living a longer, healthier life, and feeling a lot more confident about who you are. And then, at the end of the day, a bit of motivation. So I'll see you on the next one. For more content on style, check out this next video.